Is your Toyota RAV4 key fob from 2013 to 2018 models not working? A dead battery is the most common culprit. This guide shows you how to replace it yourself. You'll need a new CR2032 battery, a small flathead screwdriver or house key, and optionally a plastic pry tool to avoid scratches. First, carefully insert the screwdriver into the seam at the key ring end of the fob. Gently twist and pry to release the plastic clips holding the case together. If the case is stuck, try warming the fob with a hairdryer on low heat to soften the plastic. Once open, remove the old battery, noting the orientation with the positive side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Finally, snap the case back together, ensuring the buttons are aligned. Test the fob by pressing the lock and unlock buttons from a short distance. What if your RAV4 remote still doesn't work after a new battery? First, double-check the battery orientation and that it's a new working CR2032. Try testing the remote in an open area, away from potential signal interference from metal objects or Wi-Fi routers. If buttons are unresponsive, the fob might need reprogramming at a dealership. If your case was difficult to open and you used excessive force, inspect the circuit board for damage. In rare cases, the vehicle's receiver module could be the issue, requiring professional diagnosis. Remember to dispose of the old battery responsibly at a recycling center. DIY battery replacement saves money, about $120 on average. Keep in mind that in the near future, phone apps are expected to be the standard for key fobs.